Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove residue from your lace fronts or your closures. Now this is usually caused by the got-to-be gels and anything we use to adhere our wigs to our scalp. Now I'm just going to show you how to remove this, and we're going to do this very easy steps. You're going to need a few products, and the first thing we're obviously going to need is something to remove, which is a toothbrush. I'm going to be using this toothbrush that the bristles are not too hard and not too soft, just okay. And then we're going to boil some hot water. We're going to be using a clear bowl, and I'm also going to use a shampoo. Then the first thing is obviously to place the hair in a bowl. Then we're going to pour the hot water on the closure. Now remember that this water is boiling hot. We want to apply it directionally in a way that it's actually touching the closure itself. The next thing we're going to do is to pour a shampoo on the part that has the gunk, and then we kind of just stir it in, and then we'll leave it to soak in the water. You'd see that it will begin to change color. Now this is after a few minutes and it's already started changing color, meaning all the dirt is coming out. Now we're going to just apply the shampoo on the toothbrush like you want to brush our teeth, and you begin to scrub. Like, you don't scrub too vigorously to the point that the lace tears, but you scrub just enough that the gunk can come out. You can see me putting it back into the water just so that like it kind of lathers a bit more, and then I use my fingers as well where it applies. You use your fingers to scrape off the gunk, and you're just going back and forth, scrubbing, scraping, scrubbing, scraping, and the hot water allows it to come out easily. So you find that when you're done, I kind of even change the water that I use like once, and then after that you can see that the closure is knit, all the gunk is gone, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed.